Good afternoon, guys. How you guys doing? You guys are doing great? Alright, I'm here at Bartlett Lake. Ah, what a beautiful guy. You guys are not gonna believe it. I was filming and then my battery died like the part that I really wanted you guys to see. So that's a bummer. So but I'm gonna come back here again and make sure my battery is charged. My GoPro battery. So nonetheless, Bartlett Lake, beautiful lake here in the Tonto National Forest, here in the Valley of the Sun. Alright, so today I want to show you guys a few mods that I did already. I've had this bike for almost 2 weeks now. So first one, this foam grip, guys. These are amazing. These, man, I highly recommend everybody to have them. I have zero fatigue with these foam grips. I mean, I can ride for hours now, and I don't feel any vibration from behind. I don't know I mean, it's soft, but I don't know what kind of material that is, but it's just amazing, guys. And I mean, the install is easy, but this other one was a little bit hard to put. All you do is soak them in soapy water and then just put them in, you know, just kind of like push them. They go over your handlebar. So yeah, $8 from Amazon, the best $8 I've bought for this bike. All right, second mod, this windshield right here. Now the stock windshield comes to right about maybe right there. So this extra whatever 6 inches, it's tall. I know the video doesn't do it justice, but it's a tall windshield, and it really helps, guys, on the freeway. Now the wind kind of goes over my helmet because I'm not tall, so when I'm riding, you know, it kind of hits my helmet a little bit, but that's great. The wind is not hitting my chest, obviously, so that's a great mod. All right, and the last mod I have is this tail tidy right here. Man, I gotta tell you guys, it makes my bike look so nice, because the stock bike comes with the ugly little thing that all bikes come, that extends all the way here. And this was like what, $20, $24? Just look at that. Just looks, it cleans up the bike, right? Yeah, man. And these lights are bright. Hold on. These LED brights, put on the hazards. I mean, you guys, I don't know if you guys will be able to make it out, but they're bright as hell at night. Which is, I'm a night rider, so that's, yeah, they're really good, guys. Man, I'm telling you, that was a good mod. All right. Other than that, I don't see. Oh. I got the spools right here. I had them on the other bike too, so those are good when you're using the paddock, when you're working on your bike. I got them. I got a blue one to match my bike. It's not the same blue, but hey, it works. The blue on my bike is this kind of like cyan blue, whatever this blue is, and it's hard to find something that matches this color for the aftermarket. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna add some more mods in the future. I'm gonna get some tank grips, some knee grips right here. Fairly inexpensive. I mean, total, all these mods, I think the total I paid was $70 from AliExpress. I'll put the links in the description, guys. Oh, how can I forget this? The radiator guard. I don't know if you guys can. Oh, it's dark and it's hard to. So I installed a radiator guard. It's like $10. That is so important, guys, because you can imagine as you're riding, all these little rocks that are spinning, and you don't want any of them to hit the radiator. So a radiator guard, actually that should be the first mod that any motorcycle person should do, is install a radiator guard. They're easy, it's just plug and play. Plug it. I mean, I had to use some zip ties on mine back there, but hey, Yeah, radiator guard, guys, because you can imagine if a rock hits your radiator, a big rock, and coolant is leaking, you're not gonna be going any further, guys. But yeah, so I would say that's the #1 mod every motorcycle should do. Radiator guard, like I said, $10 from LI Express. Yeah, and obviously my bike being a Chinese bike, all the parts come from China, so you got to be patient. Takes about 10 to 14 days, which is all right. I mean, it's coming from far, so yeah, just be patient, guys. And they're all good quality, guys. All these mods are good quality, everything. The bike is solid, because sometimes I see online everybody trashing like Chinese made products, and I'm like, all right, why don't you go to your house and count everything that's made in China? You probably, most of us, 90% of stuff is made in China. I mean, you know, I'm not saying stuff made in America is not bad, but hey, you know, solid. Everything is solid on this bike, solid. Anybody that's questioning CFMOTO bikes, listen to me, guys. I know I've only been riding for a couple months, but solid bike. I mean, I had a guy in a Ninja pull up next to me and say, "Hey, man, you drive a BMW?" I'm like, "No, it's a CFMOTO, guys." So he was really, his eyes just lit up like, "Wow, the bike is beautiful. The bike is cool." I mean, it kind of looks like a BMW from the side. If you've never seen a CFMOTO bike, yeah, it kind of looks like a BMW from the side a little bit. I mean, look at his fairing, guys. This, I don't know what you call that. It's got holes in it for the aerodynamic. So yeah, solid bike, guys. The seat is still stock, so yeah, it's okay. I mean, I'm not a big guy, so it's not hurting my butt, you know. I've seen people change those. That's fine. Obviously, you guys seen my Nelson rig. This is the smallest one, but it can expand. Where is it? It's expandable. I put my lunch in here. I put my clothes in here. Yeah. Good quality, guys. Good quality bike. Or a good quality Nelson rig. And this little thing here is how do you call it? It's shot, you know. You guys know what I'm trying to say. You can see it at night. It lights up. So, yeah. All right, the stock muffler. Remember the stock exhaust? It sounds good, guys. I mean, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna change. I don't think I'm gonna change that. Because of all the mods of bikes, this would be the most expensive. And I like it, man. I like it. Let me show you guys. You guys want to hear it. You guys want to hear it. Listen to that fuel pump. You guys want to hear it. Yeah, that's just stock, guys. Stock exhaust. Yeah. It's not loud or obnoxious, but hey, you can feel it. You can hear it. So. All right, guys. Other than that, I don't know what else I can show you guys, but yeah, that's my bike right there. Yeah, next time when I come back down here, I'll make sure my camera is charged, because man, that's a beautiful ride down here. Twisted roads. It's nice. All right, guys, I'm gonna head back home. Call it a day before it gets hot. It's already hot. But yeah, be safe, guys. Be blessed. Until next time.